All right, problem 6.5 millimeters. Part origin is located at the center, middle, lines, center line, circles, arcs, revolve, extrude boss, cut with a revolve feature. Um, don't really see any crazy geometry, but we have two kind of isometric views. If we're to take this as the front, right, and dot planes, then we're going to draw on the front. So would say that that is, in this case, is optional which way you want to go. This is an assigned part though, since we're going that route. Let's go ahead and open up the sketch. We'll bring the first one in, and that is a diameter of 25. And we have a radius of 50, so 100. All right, so make sure that I'm getting those. I'll jump out of that, highlight, and we'll switch that over to radius so I don't get myself confused on the numbers. All right, when we go ahead and extrude this, this is going to be a midplane. So it stays at the center, and we have a distance of 50 millimeters. So tab to update the preview. And then, let's see. Oh, I guess I could have. If I go back in and edit the sketch, we can just go from the quadrant out some distance to the quadrant, make sure that it is vertical. And that's probably going to bark at me for the additional region that I created. And it's telling me it has open and closed. And then we'll just cancel all of those to get out of it. And go ahead and accept it again, exit sketch and rebuild. And we'll go back into the boss extrude and select both of the regions. All right, so same result. I could have just added it on by itself, but it does get it there. All right, so radius of 16 is going to produce 32. And we'll just go ahead and extrude cut to blinding condition of 50, or since I do want to tie this to existing geometry and it does give me a vertex right there, let's use the vertex, because then I'll be able to go into my sketch and we'll just do a regular center line through the origin and come back to that face, convert all of those entities, and we're ready to do the revolved cut for a distance of 270. And flip side. Nope, not flip side. Let's go reverse. All right, one of those combinations is going to give me what I was looking for. And it shows it terminating there, so I don't have to do anything else to blend that out. So that looks like that gets it. So let's go isometric, make sure to save this. We're doing P6-5. And we're going to go to a volume of 292,994. Evaluate. This property is 292,994. All right, so we got that one.